Wait, are we recording? Hey guys, didn't see you there. Slimeburger here. We are playing Bedwars today. Me and Mlgjeffrey7. So, yeah.
Hey.
Obviously, my computer is doo-doo trash. So, this is the best screen recorder I can get. I mean, I'm gonna lag. I'm not gonna be good. But, you know, it's okay. It's okay. But anyways, yeah. So, I don't really know what to do about this lag problem. We're just gonna have to live with it. Anyways, yeah. We in.
I'm gonna have to do actual editing though. That's what's sad.
What do you mean?
I don't wanna edit.
You have to do actual editing? Why?
Because I'm gonna edit. I don't want to edit live. I don't want it.
What are you gonna edit? You don't even need to edit anything.
My intro.
You're making an intro?
No, I already made one, remember?
Why didn't you just pause the clip?
I did.
Anyways. Alright. What are you gonna edit on? What are you editing on?
Bro, he's making a video, and this kid's making a video too. He's like, this bit sucks.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Don't do base defense, I got it. Just build. Oh my god.
Oh, they're not going for us. We're gonna do like glass and like wood and stuff, or just wool.
Nah, let's do wool.
Okay, blue already has a base defense and they're coming here for us. And who's the MVP plus kid? There he is. Frog, get out, frog. Get out, frog. Oh my gosh, I'm getting combo.
What?
You walked off.
Man, no, I did not walk off. It was these lag spikes.
Easy two kills.
How are you not lagging so hard?
It's running like really smooth on my screen.
Oh my god. Bro, in your latest video, you got a freaking dub. Oh my god. Oh my god. My lag is cancer. I'm gonna get cancer. Legit. This ain't a joke.
What? How did not fall up? That's
Stop. Stop it, Froggy! What? I got him. This is hacks.
Okay, we're gonna hop in a new game. Like, hopefully not get destroyed.
This is so my fault. I'm lagging. Why do screen recorders make me lag? Well, it's actually because I have 3 tabs open. I have Discord, Minecraft, and my screen recorder open.
Oh.
Yeah, I need a better computer. Hi, you got the unspeakable skin. What's up? Guys, this probably won't happen, but, I mean, if you want us to just straight up, I don't know, stream together, I mean, maybe the opportunity, just play a whole bunch of bedwars, you know? Maybe. I don't know.
Did you say stream?
Yeah, I said stream. Maybe. Just maybe. I don't know. Maybe.
We're not streaming.
Well, what you talking about? We not no type of streaming. We about to stream all day long. I'm just
kidding. You know how hard streaming's gonna be?
Well... By the way, let's just talk about how Jeffrey's skin has changed 3 times and he's made only like 12 videos. He went from that doo-doo trash ninja skin, then he went to that godly noob skin. Now he's got some golden skin. Like, bruh, I just kept my simple cake skin, okay? Like,
I want a good skin, but I can never get a good skin. Like, all the good skins are like sweat skins. I don't want
If you have a sweat and like, just like you're, I don't know. Do not base defense. My guy, build to the diamond point. I will base defense. Oh, okay. I don't even know what to do now. I'm gonna just kind of chill here. Maybe get an iron sword. Not an iron sword. Uh-oh, white coming.
He's not coming no more. Oh, get combo, kid.
Alright, you got that.
From combos, be easy.
Guys, once again, sorry about this lag. I cannot control it. My computer is absolute doo-doo trash.
The reason that team won last round was because they got quick diamonds and then they got prop.
Which team?
That's what they won. They got emeralds quick and they got bro. Oh my god, this kid's so cool. Why are you building up? It's literally a diamond gem. You acting like.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Like
I'm lagging so hard and you're dying. Bruh, you stole my kill. That was so my kill. My guy. That was so my kill.
But I comboed him off the edge.
What? I didn't even see it. I lagged. I got like 2 hits on him.
I got like 5.
Bro, their base defense is doo-doo trash. We're rushing them, okay?
Are you sure? It's kind of bad. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, this is why I need a wireless mouse. I legit stepped on my mouse cord and made me go off the edge.
Do you have like just like a random extra mouse?
No, I don't got no type of wireless random extra mouse.
I'm using a wireless mouse right now. It's a really old mouse, but this is the worst.
Who do you think I am? Bill Gates? No, I don't got no type of wireless mouse. Oh my god, my guy. Yeah, I'm gonna let you do that. It is in my least. It won't let me sprint.
Some easy kills.
You're carrying me right now.
A little bit. Not too much. You basically got a kill. Okay, we got sharp. This is gonna be our win because we got sharp.
What does this kid think he's doing? Like, what do you think you're doing?
Your click sounds really satisfying for some reason.
Alright, he coming to our base. So you got that. I'm gonna go to their base. Just kind of chill with them.
Yeah, I got that. Did you hear a stone sword? He did like 0 damage.
What y'all trying to do? What you trying to do? You trying to fight? You trying to fight? Okay, my guy. Oh, I died. I lagged. My lag won't stop.
I'm going for them too.
Alright.
What is their bridge? The bridge is cancer, like, it's so bad.
Yeah.
Oh, can I kill them both? Can I kill them both? Yeah, I got them both.
My what?
Dude, I got his bed. I got their bed, but at least I got one bed.
Oh no, I'm dead. I'm lagging so hard. What is my lag? What is this lag?
I'm gonna try to play one more game.
Bro, we're at like 8 minutes right now. We doing good. I just need to keep this under 15 minutes.
But how did we die, bro? Like, why are they rushing us? Can't they rush someone else? Like, they tell we're rushing, like, this other team, so why are they rushing us? Kind of common sense.
I'm gonna straight up clap as loud as humanly possible. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Ow! Oh my god, bro.
Oh.
That probably wasn't even too loud, but that hurt my hands.
I didn't even really see that. Or hear that, I mean.
You didn't hear it? Bet.
Waiting for players, what?
We had 14! Why would you leave when we're about to start the... Thank you. 16, let's go.
Bro, we have 16 now. If we didn't leave, we could have, like, had a better chance.
Bruh, guys, I enjoy
Some kid left.
Guys, I enjoy making these videos where I'm collabing with Mlgjeffrey7 more than just making them on my own. So I don't have to think of what to talk about, I just talk to him, you know? It's just easier to keep the video kind of going, you know?
Yeah. Should I, like, cut my videos so, like, there's, like, clips? Or should I just, like...
Boy, what you mean, clips? Nah, that clip stuff, doo-doo trash. We ain't about to do
No,
no
but, like,
clips.
clips of just, like, good clips.
Bro, if you're gonna do good clips, post a 1-minute video on TikTok if you're gonna do good clips. Nah, we making YouTube videos, by God.
No, by clips, I don't mean, like...
If you do the base defense, I'm actually gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. You better not base defense. You better stop. You better stop. Dang.
Oh my gosh, that was so bad.
Did you die?
It was a slap that I almost died.
Good. If I heard that you died, I would have thrown a temper tantrum.
There was a slap there. Why did this game have slaps? Like, imagine having a slap in a game. Like, the game must be like
What the? No, no, no! R.I.P. 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 R.I.P.
He's not getting our bed.
What are you talking about?
They're not getting our bed.
Sit down!
They didn't get our bed at all.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What are they doing? How did they not get that?
Come on. Blocks! Blocks! No, stop! 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 Oh my god, blue is at our base! Blue is at our base! We're done!
We're getting doubled.
Cross teamers! Cross teamers! Oh my god, I'm lagging so hard. RIP. RIP. What is this? What is my lag? What is my lag? What is this? Oh my god. Ah! Bro. Bro, come on. Come on. Alright, you wanna just end the video? I think we're gonna end it here. Yo, guys, I think we're gonna end the video here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna hop back into the lobby.
No, you're not ending the video here. We're playing one more thing.
No, we're not. Bruh, it's 11 minutes. No, we're not.
No, we're not playing a game of that. We're playing the best game ever.
I swear to God, if you 1v1 me in Skywars, I'm gonna be mad. Bet, okay, let's go, 1v1. Let's go 1v1 Skywars. Let's go. Let's go.
No, we're playing normal 1v1.
What do you mean normal 1v1? Are you gonna duel me?
I'm not even playing you.
You're not playing with me?
Big rice boy.
My guy.
Like an admin. Dude, what is this? Watch red ring.
Jeffrey, I swear, I'm gonna do my outro.
Never mind, I'm not about to kill him.
I'm doing my outro.
Okay.
Bro, you're not gonna do your outro with me?
Yeah, let's do our outro together.
Oh my god, bro. You know what? Okay, you know, I'm gonna do the outro for us because you're dueling with some kid.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Me and Jeffrey would very much appreciate it. It's been fun making this video, even though the lag has been absolute doo-doo trash. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos, more quality videos. As you can see, it's absolute quality, no lag whatsoever, you know. Anyways, it's been really fun making this video. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!